Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this model for a couple years ago and this is gonna be my subject today. Well, she's from Southern Cross. That's one of the best model agency in Okinawa. Okay, I have this image and also I made this long image by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges as always, and I'm ready for this kind of long image. Well, sort of sketch drawing or something. Okay, now I'm going to change the layer mode. Well, blend mode is going to darken for this. Then I'm going to turn this one fade down just about 30% or so, and I'm going to move this layer in between these two. Then I'm gonna paint it on this layer. Watercolor brush. Okay, let's get started. Now I'm going to turn this line image opacity go to 50% or so easy to see this image. Now let's go for skin tone first. First touch the skin tone. I used the watercolor wash flat. This is a brush, and size is gonna be the max 512. Then the water's 100. Then goes to light side to dark area. Okay. Then same thing on the skins too. Okay. Is that? Can you see this now? Very light color. Okay. Then I'm going to dry this layer, then add some dark skin tones a little bit. I gotta see. The lighting is LED direct lighting, like a Hollywood lighting used to call it. And so we have the butterfly shadow under the nose, shadow and under the chin. Okay, but it's already dried this layer, so I'm gonna go down just a touch dark, then change the brush to watercolor round detail, then size just a little bit small, and this zone we're gonna have some kind of ooze texture. I hope it's not dark enough, I guess. Then I'm gonna add water to blend it in real soft. Too dark, I think, but well, just try it. Oops. But that's interesting. Go for dark. Okay, use a flat because I'm gonna put some dark area. Then again, I'm gonna add water to blend it in. Change the brush to smaller detail. Let's blend some. Okay, same time I'm gonna go for hair. Same thing, I'm gonna go highlight area, I'm gonna leave this, then put some little bit dark area. Okay, dry again. Then much more darker to change the brush, watercolor around detail again. I think just erase it. And then touch more dark area. Okay, add water to blend it in. Some. Okay, once, try again. I'm gonna put pretty much light yellowish color to highlight area. I kind of like watercolor texture on this kind of shape oozing. So I want to try to use this here, and also that this kind of ooze image. Now, and go for a background also. Well, and also the her costume too. But I want this to be some kind of watery image. And big brush. That's cool. Oops. I don't know, just intuition, so I don't know what's gonna happen, how it looks like. Now I go for this background here from here, and dark blue. I'm using the watercolor wash soft. This one has more small texture, and I'm gonna add to orange-ish color to this. Now I want to see combine together to this. Well, I just want to keep just in case. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and I'm gonna turn this one off to just keep it, and I'm gonna make create empty mask on this, convert, then I'm gonna invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal on this with painting to wet brush 1. That's funny brush. Okay, now reveal this. Now it's 100%. Make it bigger. And then see her face on reveal on this. Oh, by the way, I'm going to take this line image. After all, I'm going to make a mask on this find the edges layer, so no worry. See, when you touch it, it's going to change the density. When you move, it's live brush. So interesting. So while you're moving the brush, it's going to show differently. Then stop it when you like it. So really, it's not so hard to expect what the expression is going to be. That's a fun part too. Not only reveal, I'm going to hide some to take this dark area to out, and also the shadow side. Now it's hide. Same thing. Now I want same time I want to make this line image. This is the one. I'm going to make the mask on again. Create empty mask. Convert. Favorite. Soft round opacity. Black dot. You see this? You don't need this. And that's on here. Like a pencil image, you just hide. Like this, on lip, and dark part. You don't need this, but you may need some line. I'm talking about this kind of line. Just leave it there. But you don't need this. Then leave this too. Won't bother me at all. Okay. Now let's see. We can go reveal or hide on this line image, and also I'm working on this. Only her lips. Color is warm color rather than skin tones. Otherwise bluer, and that's fine too, but okay, let's touch up with this. Well, okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys watching my video, and I really appreciate to support me watching this video, and have a nice day guys. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.